Hello healthies, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Zones. Hope everyone is doing good. To make JEERA cumin water for weight loss, follow these steps. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of whole cumin seeds JEERA. 1 cup of water. Instructions: 1. Boil the water in a saucepan. 2. Add the cumin seeds to the boiling water. 3. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Remove the saucepan from heat, and cover it with a lid. 5. Allow the JEERA water to cool down, to room temperature. 6. Strain the water, to remove the cumin seeds. 7. Drink the JEERA water on an empty stomach, in the morning. Some tips. You can also prepare a larger quantity of JEERA water, and refrigerate it to use throughout the day. You may add a squeeze of lemon juice for flavor, but avoid adding sugar or sweeteners, if you want to maximize its weight loss benefits. JEERA water is believed to aid digestion and boost metabolism, which may contribute to weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Remember that, while JEERA water can be a part of a weight loss plan, it's not a magic solution. A healthy lifestyle with proper diet and physical activity is essential for effective and sustainable weight loss. Consult a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice. Please give a thumbs up and comment below how this is useful for you.